My name's Louise Boyce. I'm a mum, I'm a model, and I'm a blogger. My idea of beauty growing up has changed a lot. You get influenced by magazines and everything, and to me then beauty was about being the right size. I had always been told to lose weight, to be a certain size. Luckily, my perception has changed as I've got older. I think beauty now comes from within. I think it's confidence. I think it's knowing what works for you, your body. You know, it takes a while to realise that, which I think is something that comes with age. It's so important for women to celebrate their own beauty. It's what we've been given. It's inside us. It's our spirit. It's our essence. It's what makes us a woman. I'm a size 14, 16, and I'm in magazines and I'm doing TV commercials that other women can relate to. When I realised that actually there are women out there that want to see women that are slightly curvier, it made me feel better because I was like, okay, I am normal. I don't have to try and torture myself into be something I'm not. And to know that I could do the job that I loved in my own skin, no brainer.